What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm gonna take you guys through my jump rope and ab routine that's gonna be free in my next program for you guys if you guys are looking to build muscle, lose weight, and be in the best shape of your life. And why not jumpstart 2021 with a new program that you guys can try at home. All you need is a jump rope, some rings, and a pull-up bar. And if you want to know what equipment I have and how to install it, make sure you check this playlist over here. At this moment, it's been 8 weeks into my cut. I'm almost down 10 pounds from when I started my bulk 2 months ago, and I'm super excited to show you guys my transformation and show you guys that it's possible to lose weight at home while eating good food and doing the simple things at home. So in this workout, we're gonna be switching from jumping rope to ab exercises, and you can check the workout down in the description down below and follow along. And this workout takes around 8 minutes, and you can repeat this 3 to 4 times, and you can spend around 21 to 30 minutes doing this workout alone. This workout is gonna be intense, and I hope you guys like it. So make sure you subscribe to be on the lookout for my new video and my transformation video coming out in the next 30 days. And there's gonna be more content coming out, which I'm super excited. So with that being said, let's get into the workout.